Can you manifest a specific person into your life? 100% you're able to do that. And in this video, I'm going to highlight a couple of different steps you're able to do that will help you get into the relationship of your dreams, get the results you truly deserve. And each of these steps kind of work in tandem together. They're very effortlessly seamless together. It's going to work out. It's a lot easier than what you think is going to happen. So I'm super, super excited to jump right into this video. And step number one is we really have to believe that we're able to have our specific person. You might be, if you're not new to law of attraction content, you've heard the word believe a lot of different times. It's almost like a buzzword, but I can't think of a better word to describe the first step. You really have to believe in yourself. A lot of times, even my friends included, they're trying to get into a relationship. They just want a relationship so badly. They want the love. They want to be with a boyfriend or girlfriend or a partner. And they actually have a person in mind, but they put them on a pedestal. And I have to tell them every single day when we text about this, you have to put them off the damn pedestal. Because when you put them on a pedestal, it almost seems like you're not good enough for that person because you're looking up at the person. And I have to be like, you gotta put that person down to your level. You are good enough for this person. And it is crazy to me that people will do that. They will put them on a pedestal thinking that they're not good enough to be able to have this person. And when you put them on a pedestal, you're almost fantasizing about this person. And when you fantasize about this person, it means and that you in your heart don't believe you're able to have that person or able to have that dream or whatever like that. You have to really believe in yourself because you are good enough to be with your specific person. Because remember, your specific person wants to be with you. You have to energetically be aligned to be able to match together. That's how the universe really works, is with energy. Everyone's just energy at the very end of the day. So you really have to match your energy with your SP's energy in order for there to be some physical reality happening where you meet up somehow. And the universe sets that up, but you have to be in an energetic match with your SP. This leads to number 2, which is visualize. You have to visualize and be very specific on who you're trying to attract. So early on in step number 1, I mentioned the word fantasize. And there is a big, big, big difference between fantasizing and visualizing. Fantasizing is you're using your imagination, you're in a dreamlike state, but you don't believe you're able to have that imaginal act. Versus your visualization is you are visualizing you taking actions that will lead you to get to your manifestation. So in this case, you're going to be visualizing an imaginal act, is like playing a scene in your mind. That's what Neville Goddard calls it. Playing a scene in your mind and really feeling that you're able to have your manifestation, your desire. So in this case, you're going to be like closing your eyes and you're going to really feel in your heart, but believe, and you're going to see yourself in your imaginal act being with your SP. You're going to go on wonderful dates. You're going to go to your favorite restaurant. You're going to go to the movies. You're going to be, maybe in bed together and cuddling or watching a movie. Or you are introducing them to your family. Your family loves your SP and you all get along together. So with visualizing, you really believe that you're able to have this person because you can see yourself with that person. And you're going to now take actions towards that, and you're going to open up your energy. You're going to really feel good about yourself, and you're going to feel good, and you really believe that you're able to have this person. And when you feel with emotions and you attach it to a visualization, and you're seeing yourself in your imagination doing those actions, that's where your subconscious mind will connect to and will help you start to cultivate your manifestation, which is very, very, very important. Like I said, with fantasizing, you don't believe that this can happen. There's no way this can happen. It just seems too unrealistic, and your brain doesn't believe it. Versus visualization, does believe it because you feel it with your emotion in your heart that this is going to happen for you, because you can see yourself in that imagined act, going on dates, doing this, whatever, with your SP. So there is a big but slight difference between the two. I know that online there is a little bit of, and even my friends, they get confused between visualization and fantasizing, and I have to always be like, there's a huge difference. I made the mistake too of, fantasizing about my SP with my prior relationships versus visualizing the SP. And once I started visualizing my SP in my mind with my prior relationships when I was younger, it actually happened very, very, very fast. So there is a slight distinction between that. And also, too, when you're visualizing, you have to be very specific on who you're trying to attract. So what I want you to do is, kind of like right before the visualization, grab like a journal. I got this from the dollar store. And what I want you to do is I want you to answer the following questions I have on the screen here. And these answers, I'll actually leave them, those questions in the pinned comment as well. And I want you to write them down in your journal, and I want you to really answer them honestly, because if you don't answer them honestly, you're just doing a mass disservice for yourself, and you're going to attract the wrong person. Because, and I'll give you an example of this, is that sometimes me and my friend, we go to the gym together, and we hang out, we catch up, we work out together, and she'll complain to me all the time that she wants to be in a relationship with someone, and but then her energy's open to relationship, her energy is very awesome, but there's guys that approach her at the gym all the time, and she keeps constantly rejecting them. And then she's always like, Kyle, why isn't no guy coming up, like, why isn't the right guy coming up to me and want to ask me out on a date? I get all these guys that I'm not super attracted to. And I say to her all the time, you have to be very specific in who you're trying to attract. The funny thing is, though, is that the universe is sending my friend all these guys at the gym, and as like, is this the guy you're interested in? Is this the guy you're interested in? Maybe this guy is interested in you. He looks hot, he looks cute. You should totally go on a date with him, right? And then she's like, nope, 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 nope. And so she's wondering, like, in living contradiction of, like, why am I not getting the man that I want? I want a guy that's super hot, into fitness, and, loves me, and is, successful and loves what he's doing. But I'm getting all these guys that are, like, kind of subpar. But they're, like, good looking, but they're just not my vibe. And it's, like, because you're not very specific enough. The universe is sending the guys that the universe thinks that you're going to like, but then she's like, no, 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 no. So there's a block there. But if you're very specific and you're trying to attract, the universe is going to guide you in the right direction, because the universe works in wondrous ways, because you have to really feel good in your heart. You have to feel really awesome about yourself. And then the universe kind of behind the scenes works its magic and then makes you kind of get aligned with your SP. Because an example can be like, if you felt really good and like was really good about yourself, and then your friend texts you, be like, hey, let's go out for drinks, and I'm inviting my friend that I want you to meet, right? So you go out to drinks after work. And then that person, that friend, is your SP. But it's like, how did the universe know? How did the universe do that? We have no idea. It's like, it's in the quantum realm, but your energy's out there to align you with that. So you do all the extra work, being very specific, visualize, really believe that you're able to have this person, and then the universe aligns you with that. And lastly, is just a general message that you're able to manifest your SP into your life, but this will help with everything about manifestation, and it's kind of the overall message I've been kind of trying to relay to you guys on my videos, is you have to tap into magnetic energy, which is living your authentic self. And what I mean by living your authentic self is you're no longer wagering on like your beliefs, your convictions. If like you're with a group of friends, you kind of change your opinions based on who you are around. Whereas if you didn't do that and you're strong in your convictions, your beliefs, you like yourself, you love yourself, you're no longer holding yourself back, you will attract the right people. Because I noticed that, like I said, in some of my friends, I won't name who, but they won't live their authentic self, and they're attracting the wrong people, the wrong friends, the wrong SP, and they're wondering why they're not in the relationship of their dreams or with the friends. It's because they're not very strong in who they are as a person. But if you are very strong as a person, you believe in yourself, and you don't care what anyone thinks about you, you actually will get the opposite effect of everyone will be so obsessed with you. You'll have a magnetic charm around you that is just so insatiable that people want to be around you. Your SP 100% wants to be around you. And the thing is that when you are living your authentic self, your SP will be attracted to you. Sometimes people think that they have to kind of mold and change and adapt to fit that other person. But in actuality, if you were your person, you were your authentic self, you would attract your SP because your SP wants to love everything about you. The person doesn't want to know, 1/3 of yourself. If you show yourself 1/3 of yourself, the relationship is not going to work out. And trust me, been there, done that. My first couple boyfriends when I was younger, I tried to show only 1/3 of myself, and the relationship just didn't work out. Unfortunately, it just was a mutual breakup. But I knew in my heart that I wasn't giving my all, and the love just kind of dissipated because I wasn't being my true self. And so, when you are not being your true self, there's something that is off about the relationship. There's something that goes wrong. Some things are great about it, and then all of a sudden something happens later on that it just won't work. And so when you be yourself, your authentic self, really believe that you're gonna have this person, you visualize this person, you're very specific about this person, everything will work out for you. But yeah, I'm kind of rambling on right now because I love you guys so much. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. I really hope that these tips are going to really help you manifest your SP into your life, because I know that these work, because they worked for me and a lot of my friends that before I started doing YouTube, I would give my advice to my friends about this, so I know it works for them. Quick reminder that I do have 2 free gifts for y'all. I have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide, as well as manifest your specific person audio meditation track that's going to help you manifest your SP. So if you're really interested in those 2 freebies, click the link down below and follow me on my social medias, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!